My friends, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. This is my first official workout I'm filming down in Florida for the summer. But you're gonna see a lot of Colorado, Florida, Wisconsin, Illinois, Montana videos floating around. Just look for the backdrop. That'll give you a hint of where we are. All right, today we're gonna do a core workout, all body weight, no weights, no machines. We got a breeze going here and some luscious humidity. Do you like humidity? Let me know below if humidity is your favorite thing in the world. All right, let's begin on our backs. Little scissor series. We have the St. Augustine grass too, so it's a little poofy. Single leg stretch, right knee in, left leg out. Breathe in the nose, out the mouth. Here we go. Let's imprint the lower back down, stabilize the core, enjoy the blue skies and the green trees. Here we go. A little softness in the knee as you extend. You want great control always. Very smooth, fluid movements. Do it for yourself. Do it for your future. Do it for me. 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend the leg up. Pull. Single straight leg stretch. Slowly inhale. Switch. Gently pull. Root the lower back down. Work on evening out the flexibility in your legs. You definitely don't want one to be way more pliable than the other. Balance it out. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. 4. A little more fun. Keep those legs going. Hands can be under the hips, fingers to the back of the head, or arms to the sides. Scissors. Flex the feet for a little more of a stretch. Very mechanical. Boom. Could do same arm, same leg also. Keep it right in here, right in the core. If the core starts to disengage, everything will fall. You'll lose the intention. You'll lose that nice rhythm. And you'll lose the support of the core. 4 more times. 1, 2. Oh, how you feeling? They feeling good? All right, add a tornado. Pull the legs. Circle. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Nice for the hips. Getting a nice stretch in the hips, in the low back, even in the psoas and groin area. Good old tornadoes. You can always bring your head down or put a pillow down there, place your head on it. 2 more each side. Here's 1, 1, 2, and 2. Excellent. I wrote out some goodies here. We're gonna go into the wolf. Oh, I just spent 2 days in the car driving down here from Colorado. So I've been doing a lot of stretching, and this core workout is exactly what I need. Get the blood flowing, get my mind and body back. All right, down dog. Here's the wolf. Bring the right leg up. Exhale, round the back, squeeze the abs. Take it back. Let's do 5 more. 1, stretch it out, air it out. 2, 3, 2 more. 4, 5. So nice. Let's switch sides. When you're ready, let's do 6 wolves. Wolf it out. 1. Good to do while you're watching the movie Teen Wolf, one of my classic 80s films. 3, 4, 5. One more time. Up, 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 up. Oh, lovely. Knees come down. Whew, a few shoulder rolls here. Want to make sure this area here stays open so the breath can flow freely, bringing all those beautiful benefits that oxygen is known to bring. One more time. Back. All right, Mudra Cobra. I like to integrate flexibility, power yoga into our core workouts. to make them as effective as possible in a short amount of time. Let's take the arms back, reach, lift, so we're engaging the back, the glutes, getting some length in the posterior chain. You want more, lace the fingers, we open up, and we can add some movement here. We exhale low, we exhale lower down, inhale lift, reapply that squeeze in the back, and down. Release, and then supercharge it as you come up. 3 more times. A brand new mat also from Target. It smells like it. Soon it'll smell like grass and sweat and peanut butter. Don't ask me about peanut butter. There we are. Lift it up. Hold 5 breaths right here. Draw the shoulders back. Flexibility in the low back and the glutes. All body weight. Out here in a field, making something really exciting happen, aren't we? Yes. Very exciting. All right, check this out. Oh, are you still watching? Okay, take the arms forward. We're gonna combine the Superman with a reverse scorpion. This has only been done once. It was in 1963. Lift up. Now, right arm up and over, right leg forward. There's a twist, because every core workout needs to involve twists and rotational movements. Back to center, Superman. And left arm over, left leg forward. Oh, yes. Pull the chain. There we are. Let's do it one more time each side. Slow it down. Take an extra breath here. And then right arm over. Big twist, rotational flexibility and control and force. No. All right. Superman. Stretch it out. All those muscles firing, the blood flowing. And then left arm over and left leg out. You can move this arm if you want. Nice, opens up the chest and the shoulders. All right, one more time. Superman. Are there pesticides in this grass? 3 more breaths. In the nose, out the mouth. Pull the arms back, a little row. Squeeze the shoulder blades, squeeze the lats. Lift up a little higher. How's the flexibility in your low back? All right, I wrote out one more thing. Roll up with a twist. That's a good one. Classic Pilates, adding a twist to it, literally. Let's do 5. Take the legs together. I haven't done this one in a while. Let's see how it goes. All right, take the arms up. We're gonna roll down, massage the spine. Inhale, start up. Exhale, peel off the mat. Now lace the fingers together. Index finger and thumb out. We'll twist to the right. Keep your posture tall. Twist to the left. Now hinge forward. That's 1. You can lace the fingers together here too if you want. Down. Oh, this St. Augustine grass is luxurious. It's like a mattress. Rather lumpy. Make sure you go both sides, of course. And then hinge, hollow out the abdominals, pull the belly button to the spine, press the backs of the knees down. In Pilates, we go for it. We're always expanding. 3 more times. Twist, twist, stretch. Tuck the chin. Not bad. Rounding the spine. Think of your spine like a wheel. And reach. All right, once more. Tuck the chin. Round it like a wheel. C-curve. C-curve in the spine. Twist. And twist. And hinge. All right, excellent work, my friends. Let's finish. A little stretch here. Or actually quite a big stretch. A cobra or an upward facing dog. Let's absorb that humidity. Ooh, drink it with a straw. All right, hands are on the shoulders. Inhale up, Cobra, a little pulse here. We're gonna exhale down. Inhale, lift. Great way to open up the abdominals, add some movement into the low back, engage the arms and shoulders as well. And it looks very interesting, doesn't it? All right, one more time. I am sweating. I have not sweated. I have not had a sweat in Colorado in a long time. Very dry there. And you can dry your face off on an elk. Let's stretch back. Child's pose, sway side to side, limber up the back. Heavy breathing in the nose, out the mouth. Keep that breath flowing, my friend, throughout the day. If the breath starts to wane, so will everything else. The house of cards will tip. It will fall. Okay. Excellent. A couple shoulder rolls. It's me, Coach Vigue, Vogue with an I, filming today from Florida, and who knows tomorrow where I'll be filming from. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you next time. Yeah.